Hey guys, welcome back to another video about my eBay business. Today is Monday and we are on week 5. I actually made a couple changes to the eBay storage space, so I'm just going to show you guys what I did. In addition to, we picked up a couple more things over the weekend, and as you guys saw, we had a very good turnout in terms of sales this past weekend, so very happy about that. Got me really motivated to pick up a couple more electronics, so let me show you guys what we got. Alright, so first thing we picked up is this Sony DVD/CD changer, and this thing is actually really nifty. This tray pops out and 5 slots open out, and you could just change it based off of these numbers here, which disc you want to select. So pretty cool. I tested it out at Goodwill, or not Goodwill, I'm sorry, at Community Aid, and I picked this off at 50% off, so got this for $3. And I'll show you guys some sales listings on the side over here. So that's what it's going for, and that's what I'm hoping to get. In addition to the DVD changer, I also picked up this Sharp calculator here, and fully functional. I tested it again in this shop, and we picked this up for I think about $5. Yep, about $5. So I'll also have on the side here what it has recently sold for, so hoping to get decent amount of profit for both of these items. I also picked up another tank top here from American Eagle. Should have better prepared for this. So there we go, tank top from American Eagle. It's actually pretty nice. It's a size small. And we now have a spot to hang all of our clothes. So these are a couple things that I'm going to be listing up here. And this is where we're going to keep them for now. Going to need to get a couple more hangers. I actually pulled this clothes hanging unit, whatever you want to call it, from my old house, so didn't have to pay anything for this, so pretty sweet, saving money left and right. And we also have this, which is also a clothes hanger. I just have flipped around. This is where I'm going to be taking the pictures of the clothes, because originally I wanted to take pictures on this thing. However, the backdrop just gives it a weird color. It doesn't really show the true color of the actual clothes. As you can see, my camera is currently autofocusing. This is actually a lot more brown than this backdrop is allowing it to show. So let me just show you guys the difference. This is what it looks like over here. Now let me put it with this white backdrop over here, and let me show you guys what kind of difference it can make. So, oh, whoops. Set this over here real quick. So, ignore that. So as you can see, it is a slight different. There's a glare right now because of the sun, but I assure you, this is definitely a lot more brown than the camera is showing you. And for fashion items, I feel like it's very important to show the actual true color of the actual item. So that's why I went to put some time and effort into making sure that the person who is actually trying to buy the clothes actually knows what it truly looks like. So that's what I'm doing over there. And I also have a laptop set up over here. This laptop is actually able to pick up Wi-Fi from the house, so I didn't need to buy a Wi-Fi extender or anything. I have a couple more shirts here that I haven't listed yet. As of right now, I am just trying to keep my store at a minimum listing of 50. I've sold, I think, about 17 or 18 items at this point, and I'm not quite ready yet to pay for the starter store to get 100 total listings, because I still have a couple of junk listings that I just had just to throw out there to see if anyone would buy. But once I have 50 good listings, well, what I consider would be good listings, then at that point is when I'll actually make the jump to paying for 100 listings. And I do believe the monthly subscription for that would be around $8 unless I pay annually, in which case it would be $5. So when I'm ready to make that jump, I will most likely pay the annual price so that I only have to pay $5 a month, because I'm planning on going with this long term, and I'm not sure if I'll make enough to sustain the basic store, which currently costs about $20 something a month, and not willing to put all that money up front yet. But maybe in the future I'll look into that a little more, but for right now I'm just gonna list a couple items and show you guys what's in the shop. Alright, so today we sold one polo. I'll have the listing on the screen. We made a little bit of profit. This is something I already owned and was getting rid of. Also today we went and picked up some printer ink from somebody that was just giving it away for free on Facebook Marketplace. I added the listing onto eBay and it pretty much immediately sold. I had a few offers rolling in pretty much minutes afterwards, and this is what it sold for, guys. Let me actually show you guys what the ink looks like. So I sold these two as a lot of 2 for $24.99, and I decided to try free shipping because I took the shipping cost and just added that onto the sale price. So I think it worked out for me. I'll let you guys know how much profit I made off of the polo in addition to off of these 2 inks. So let's get these packed up. So first I'm gonna package the ink, and I'm gonna use some poly mailers for these because these don't seem very fragile. I'm just gonna stack them on top of each other like this and probably put a couple grocery bags in there. So let's do it. And if you guys need poly mailers, feel free to check out my eBay affiliate link in the description below. I believe I bought 200 of them for about somewhere in the range of like $13 to $15, and I've got to say they're definitely worth it. If you guys decide to use the link, I get a small little kickback, or if you decide to purchase anything after clicking one of my affiliate links, I get a kickback from that as well. So very much appreciated if you do. Alright, so let's stack these in here. Add that on top. Flip it around. We're also going to cushion the other side as well. Not that I think that printer ink really needs to be cushioned, but just like that, we have a very clean package. This is pretty sweet, actually. Right now, HP ink, so I remember what this is. Next, I sold this brown polo. Now, I'm not the best at folding clothes by any means, but I'm gonna give it my very best shot here. Okay, so gonna do that, pull one of those, and I'm just gonna, that kind of makes sense. Pull one of those, there we go. Man, I'm so glad I never worked in any type of retail environment where I needed to actually fold clothes, because I'd be fired on day one. I'll be honest, I know myself. There we go, I'm actually kind of pleased with the way that is folded. Here we go. This is what it looks like, and I think that looks pretty good. So let's see if we get it in the bag like this. If not, we're gonna have to refold it slightly. So more of the handy dandy poly mailer. Let's see here. All right, looks like it's gonna fit. Slide it in, slide it in this way. Crumbled up in there. Sweet! This is my very first piece of clothing that I've actually sold. So pretty happy about it, actually. All right, and just like that, we have 2 beautiful packages ready to go. I just need to print off the shipping label and I'll drop them off at the post office tomorrow. So sweet stuff, guys. Like I mentioned earlier, another thing I'm working on is retaking some of the pictures of the clothing items that I've already listed. So currently working on that, and hopefully they sell better with better pictures. All right, you guys, before I ended this video, I just wanted to show you guys where we're at. So today is Monday, March 18th, and we sold these 2 items at $3 for the polo and $24.99 with free shipping for the HP ink. So this is our profit margin over here. We made a profit of $18.62 today, and we paid a total of $13.90 in fees. So that's what we had to deal with. But I'm overall pretty happy because our buy costs for both of these items were 0. One I already owned and the other I got for free on Facebook Marketplace. And our overall profit for the eBay business is currently at $154.39. But you also have to keep in mind there are plenty of items that I still have not even listed yet. As of right now, I haven't listed some clothing items that I have purchased because I'm looking for a better way to actually take pictures of them, like I mentioned in the past. And we're just raising the prices on these VCR, these VHS rewinders, just seeing if we get a decent profit off of them. So that's why our profit isn't higher, because I actually spent a decent amount on inventory and we're just waiting to see if they actually sell. At this point, I'm only going to be sourcing electronics. I'm probably going to stop on clothing, at least until more of the clothing that I've already purchased moves. I'm also going to be pulling a few things out of my closet to see if we could sell a few of the things that I don't wear anymore. So that's going to be pretty sweet. And like I said, we're going to be clearing out the store, getting rid of all the poor listings, and we're going to be donating a couple of things to either Goodwill or a community aid, whichever I feel the need. So all right, guys, so this has been another video of my eBay business. If you guys would like to support the channel in any way, feel free to click on the eBay affiliate link down below and make a purchase of any item within 24 hours of clicking that link, and I get a small kickback. It won't affect your purchase in any way other than you have to click my link for it to work. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like, and I'll see you guys later.